What's happening, world? ID 104 Radio on the scene. Minding my business is TV. And we have Jessie. Woo!
What's up, guys?
Sure enough, we want to know, what do you value most in relationships?
Yeah, that's such a good question. Oh, I feel like it depends on what stage of the relationship you're in.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I think being with somebody you can build something with. I think that's one of the things I value the most. It's hard to find.
Yeah.
Like, it's really hard to find people you can build something with
Sure enough.
for so many different reasons. So yeah, I value that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell the people what you have coming on the horizon.
Oh, well, shoot. You can catch me on a la carte. That's on All Black and AMC. I'm currently on Wild 'N Out as a comedian, as a cast member. Season 19 and 20 are going to be coming out in a couple months.
Okay, bet.
And yeah, I have my own show that I'm filming soon, which I wrote. So don't want to say too much, but next year you guys will see an original show come from me.
Sure enough, we thank you for your time.
Thank you.